This is Florida State University reflection video. This is our last task for this course that we've been looking at the technology and entertainment and media industries. And it was a very interesting class. There was a lot of topics, many of which I found profound interest in. One thing that I learned is that the amount of information available on the net about the topics, not only the mobile application development, but related fields such as graphics, graphic arts, graphic design, the purpose of design, animation, real models or real humans. The animation had to capture the images of humans and them animated, marketing, social network as business entities, and so much more. And what I came across is that this is like a gold rush. I felt like one of them for the California gold rush or Alaska. Folks that you have to go and you have to make it work. It's gonna be tough. It's not gonna be easy. It's a lot of competition. There is a lot of opportunities as well. And this course, it showed me the depth of free knowledge, because that's the interesting part. There is so much stuff available and it's free of charge. And all it takes is, enthusiasm, imagination, dedication, and you will find your gold mine. And either from a personal perspective, something that I like to do. Always have enjoyed being able to use words to control machines. That always amazes me. And to this day, being able to just write some code and watch this one of these phones or one of these tablets do stuff that you tell them to do. Now, going through this course, did it confirm or help the division that I'm following, what I thought it was, and what I think if I made the right decision? I guess that's the better term. And yeah, this course helped me crystallize in my mind how much do I want to become a mobile app developer. I always have I thought about it, and now and more than ever, I'm totally convinced. Also, he emphasized how much more material, my God, I need to master prior to developing the world-class applications that I want to do and the way I want them to do. Whether it be animation, whether it be graphics designs, whether it be interfaces to users, right? And among that, the one assignment that I really thought it was helpful or that I learned something useful was the 2.0, and that was the professional spotlight, because that gave me the directive to go and research in all of these sites, and I saw all these presentations, and I saw all these gentlemen, especially the one that really jumps out at me was the Robert Brunner one, that what a great design company know, and how he went and show different items. I learned that how much design is an integral part of a company, and branding. Oh, that was another one, because last course we were talking about, do your brand. But the brand is not really what you think you are, but rather what the people view you as such. It's so much different, the point of view, and that was interesting for me to learn. And what will I add to this course? And one of the things that I will truly add, and not only because I like to talk, I like to listen to folks, I like to talk, I like to air ideas and see what they think about it. I'm not afraid to put my opinion out there and have other people, hey man, you're wrong, you're right, and just go about it. But one of the things I will do is in the go-to meetings where the students can actually speak or air a topic for discussion. We wait for weekly meetings, we meet and just go over one assignment, but it's not really no verbal interaction. You just sit there and listen to Peña talk, right? And it'd be nice if there was some time dedicated for actually verbal communications between students. 15 minutes, 10 minutes, I don't know, but sometimes that we can actually engage one on one. I know there are a lot of person in this program right now in this course that I would love to have some, verbal exchanges. Now, there is something that I did not find useful or I will remove. The only thing I will say is maybe this requirement for you to post your opinion on somebody else's work, on the discussions. And I would rather just give out extra credits instead. For example, if you do not do any replies, you don't do any posting, you're only going to get 90 points max. However, for every reply, you get an extra 2 points. So you give out 5 replies, you're going to get 10 points, and you get up to 100. That kind of situations. I found it very unusual that so many people, yet there were so few posts compared to the list of people. And also in the go-to meetings, I mean, there were 200 people sign up and only 30 showed up, and then we don't get to talk to each other. So, it's chatting and all that is nice, but it's still text. Anyways, I really enjoy this course. I like it. I wish maybe it will be graded quicker, but that's just personal. And my prior one was creative presentations, which I really enjoyed that. My next one is going to be, I do not know yet if it's going to be art history or it's going to be some infrastructure courses there. I don't know what it is, but we'll see. I'm very motivated for this degree to finish it. Really, that's what I want. I want to finish it. So I like the fact that the time goes by quick. It's like, man, it seemed like it was only yesterday we started out and now we're done. Anyways, my name is Dario Giraldo and I'm a candidate for a degree in computer science for the mobile application development program. Bye.